Do you want to start an online coffee mug business, but you're unsure how to burn or cook your design onto your coffee mug? If so, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way how I burn my design onto my coffee mug for my online coffee mug business. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and Derek and I created this channel, DIY Mug Biz, to help others build their own highly profitable online mug businesses from scratch. If you are looking to start your own online coffee mug business, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And be sure to stick around to the end where I'll show you how you can get my ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners if you're looking to start your own highly profitable online coffee mug business. In this program, I'll teach you how to start your own highly profitable online coffee mug business from A to Z. Now, let's get to the video. So I have my heat press, my mug press on already. My temperature that I set it to is 385, so I'm waiting for that to warm up. And the time that I set this for is 190. So I'm waiting for my temperature to heat up to 385. In the meantime, I've already put my design on. And so I'm just waiting for my mug press to heat up. Once it heat up, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. So now that it's beeping, that beep is letting me know that the temperature is ready and that I am all set to go ahead and burn my mug, my design onto my mug. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mug with my design. And as you can see, I have another piece of paper just covering the other side because I don't want any dust to burn onto my mug. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in. And I'm gonna close the handle, close the mug. And make sure when you close it that it's not too tight to the handle, because if it is, it will break off your handle. So once I closed my press, the time is counting down now. So it's gonna count down to 0. So once it hits 0, it's gonna go ahead and beep again. So now we're just gonna wait until it hits. Okay, now that it's hit 0 and it's beeping, it's letting me know that it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and open up and pull it. And I'm just gonna set it on the table and let it cool down. So I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes to let it cool down. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my mug press because I'm all done with that. We're just gonna wait until the mug cools down before we take off the design. If you have a heat gloves, you can go ahead and use that and take it off. But I don't have a heat glove with me right now, so I'm just gonna wait until it cools down. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, so the mug has cooled down. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab my mug and take off the sticker. Oops. And there you have it. A design that has been burned onto my mug. But before I let you go, as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and show you where you can get my ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners. The link for the ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners is in the description. You may also find that link in the comment below. Once you click on that link, it'll take you to this page. Once you're on this page, you can either hit the I want the program now, or you can scroll down and get some more information before you commit. The Ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners simplifies the process of starting a mug business and shows you how you can easily make and sell mugs yourself so you can keep the profit. So why start a mug business? Well, the massive rise in dropshipping and order fulfillment has brought many coffee mug sellers to the marketplace. However, these business models suffer from low profitability, long lead times, low quality control, and low supply risks, leaving opportunity for DIY for sellers like us. Some of the benefits of starting your own mug business and doing it yourself: the gift mugs are in high demand, low competition amongst DIY sellers, low startup investment, high profit margins, and of course, who doesn't want to work from home? Derek and I have been selling coffee mugs online for over 7 years now, and we've learned a thing or two. So let us teach you. We want to be able to share that information with you so that you don't have to go through the learning curve like we did. If you continue to scroll down, you'll be able to know how many modules there is and what the module consists of. There are 5 modules and 29 lessons. And if you continue to keep scrolling down, you'll be able to know exactly what's in the lesson of each module. So if you're ready to invest in yourself, to start your own online coffee mug business, this is the right program for you. Go ahead and click the enroll button. Once you click on that enroll now button, it'll take you to sign up page. Go ahead and enter your information. Once you enter that information, click the buy now button. Once you click that buy now button, you'll receive an email confirmation saying that you are now enrolled. We hope to see you in the program. If you like this video and if it was helpful, please hit the like button. And again, if you're wanting to start your own online coffee mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I'll see you in the next video.